Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to download your Snapchat data using the Snapchat app on your Android phone. This includes exporting your memories and choosing the data format and time range. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Next, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the My Data option and tap it. Here, you can manage your data download preferences. You may choose to export your memories. You will see options to download your data either as an HTML file or a JSON file. Select the one you prefer. You can also uncheck any data types that you do not want to download. After selecting your preferences, tap the Next button. Now, choose the time period for the data you want to download. Options include yesterday, last week, last month, last 2 years, or all time. Finally, tap Submit to request your data download. Snapchat will now start creating a copy of your data. This process may take hours or even days, depending on the size of your data. Once your data is ready, Snapchat will send you an email with a link to export and download your files safely. And that's how to request and download your Snapchat data.